Get the most out of your TV's features with this simple setup. Let's get started. If your TV model came with a One Connect box, make sure to connect the one invisible cable to the TV and the One Connect box before moving on. If your model doesn't have this type of connection, just connect the power cable to the TV. Now connect the cable box or other devices such as a Blu-ray player. This is needed for auto detection later on during the setup process. Auto detection will work best when your devices are powered on. Once everything is connected, power on the TV and all other connected devices. Select your preferred language. Download the SmartThings app to set up your TV with your mobile device. Using SmartThings will automatically sync your Wi-Fi information, link your Samsung account to your TV, and it registers your TV with Samsung. SmartThings is available for iOS and Android. Or press the right arrow button on your remote to continue the setup on your TV. Enhance your viewing experience with Intelligent Mode. This provides your TV with optimized sound, brightness, and volume. Activate this feature now, or you can skip this step. Select your network and enter your password. If using a wired network, connect your LAN cable to the TV or One Connect box. It will auto-connect to your network. Review and agree to all the Smart Hub terms and conditions and privacy policy. To fully enjoy all that your TV has to offer, you'll need a Samsung account. You can create an account, or if you already have one, simply sign in. You can also skip this step for now. Next, enter your zip code. The TV will now attempt to identify your devices that are connected via HDMI. Once the identification is complete, you can use your smart remote to control your TV and any of the connected devices that are marked with a blue check mark. If the auto detection fails, you will be able to set this up manually. Complete the setup for your cable provider. Read the TV setup summary, and if all checks out, move on. Customize Smart Hub by adding additional apps to your home screen. Test out the remote to make sure it's working with the TV. Congrats! You're all set up and ready to start watching TV.